Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Peter and in this video I would like to show you a much improved version of my Universal Hub for sim racing wheels. The most significant improvement of the version 2 are the paddle shifters included directly in the hub. No need to mount bulky paddles on the outside anymore. It's all part of a single small factor bundle. Each shifter features a doubled triple magnet design, and there's two 12mm magnets on top, inside the paddle and on the bottom. None of the magnets require glue, and they can easily be replaced with 10mm or 16mm magnets using included adapters. I'm sure that everybody will find their sweet spot with the available flexibility. My personal preference is a pair of 12mm magnets on top and in paddle, and two 6mm ones on the bottom. It completely beats anything I have tried so far in my sim racing experience. The hub has 70mm mounting holes, therefore it is compatible with majority of wheels available on the market. And of course, also works great with the Thrustmaster wheel using my quick release adapter. As for the buttons, there's two main options. First is the similar solution to the version 1 design, but with a small twist. My good friend Brian cut the rails and the bottom plates for me from a 3mm aluminium. It is significantly less flexible now compared to 3D printed plastic, and in my personal opinion looks absolutely awesome. In the middle we have another improvement. A 3.5-inch Nextion display, which is fully compatible with SimHub and provides loads of information during the race. Additionally, the screens are plug and play. You can easily replace them with any size available. I made separate models for all of them: 2.4, 2.8, 3.2, 3.5, and even 4.3 inches. Simply remove the top screw and slide in the screen. On the back, there's a 6-pin connector to plug in the USB cable. The only downside is that if you don't have access to a CNC machine to make metal rails for the buttons, this just won't work very well. If printed from plastic, the rails will flex significantly, which is not a pleasant experience. But if you can get the metal parts, I would really highly recommend it. It just feels amazing. And again, I would like to give a huge thanks to Brian for making a set for me, because these are absolutely awesome. Like I said before, there's a second option. Maybe not as customizable, but works well when printed from the PLA plastic. I used similar buttons layout to my Thrustmaster Sparco P310, which I find very comfortable. The back is left open, just to save some plastic, and it also enables an easy access for maintenance, for example if a solder joint gets loose. It's using exactly the same mounting system for the Nextion display, which you simply slide in. The version I'm showing you here accommodates a 3.2-inch display, and it's suitable for wheels under 300mm wide. I have made a separate design that holds 3.5-inch display and works best on wheels over 300mm. If you do not wish to use the display, there's another version with just a set of buttons. Now, to make it truly universal, I have also made a few types of paddles. First is a standard arm that comes in short and long version. On which you can mount these Formula style paddles or the GT style ones. And these also come in two sizes. Second is kinda old school, narrow and curved design, which is my personal favorite. And again, it comes in a longer and shorter version. And to top it all up, I have included a step-by-step manual on how to wire the wheel to make it both Thrustmaster compatible or powered directly from the USB cable, so it's not limited to Thrustmaster ecosystem. The documentation also includes the details on how to assemble the whole unit, suggested print settings, and how to prepare the USB connector. The assembly does involve some soldering, but it's very straightforward, and I'm sure anybody can make one. And that's it. I'm really looking forward to see what you guys think about it, so please leave a comment. Also, if you liked the video, please consider subscribing. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye!